Hi, my name's Amelia.
Hi, my name's Peter.
And we're part of the Wearing Brickwolves.
In this video, you'll learn how to kickstart your core values with 5 helpful tips. Our first tip is that you should practice your core values challenges. You can find some online or start with our short exercise. Have your team stand in a circle and have each person say one number up to the number 40. You're not allowed to say anything other than a number. And if 2 people say the same number, you have to start over. Have your team discuss what worked and what did not after you do the exercise, so you're more prepared for next time.
Our second tip is that you should share your experience. Branch out using social media and teach others what you've learned. Our team has Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, and obviously YouTube account. We share tips, tricks, and answer questions on each platform, so go check them out when you have a chance. You can also share by going to a local school and teaching kids robotics or programming.
Our third tip is to make sure you stay organized. Remember that effectiveness and efficiency are part of core values too. We suggest having a whiteboard of tasks for the team to work through, or have a team meeting at the beginning of a big practice.
The fourth tip is to have some spirit. Make some team t-shirts or a chant. While at competitions, go crazy cheering, hand out personalized team stickers, or give out candy. Don't be afraid to go and talk to other teams and check out their projects. Get to know the FLL community.
Our last tip is to have fun. No pressure. The best way to get things done in FLL is to have fun with them. Sometimes you need to take a break from the hard work and bond with your team.
Check out our other videos.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll have more videos out soon, and make sure to check up on our website and other social media.